Summer is here. The sun is shining and the days are long. But what if I told you this summer could give you a real head start for next school year without sacrificing your fun? Imagine having a superpower artificial intelligence, or AI, to help you learn smarter, not harder. With AI, you can study efficiently and still have plenty of time for swimming, games, and friends. Picture starting your next grade already understanding key ideas, feeling confident and ready. This isn't a dream. It's possible with a little planning and free AI tools. This guide will show you a simple 45-day plan to use AI to your advantage. It's not about working more, but making your effort count for more. AI can explain tough concepts in different ways, create flashcards in seconds, and organize your notes beautifully. This summer, you can take control of your learning and build a strong foundation for the year ahead. Let's make a pact. Blend your break time with a bit of brain time. We'll explore how AI can be your tutor, planner, and cheerleader. Small, consistent efforts will add up to a huge advantage. By the time school starts, you'll be ahead of the game. You'll turn your summer break into a launchpad for your best school year ever. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's begin. Every journey needs a map. Yours is a study plan, and ChatGPT is your guide. Ask ChatGPT to create a custom 45-day calendar for your grade and subjects, with 45 minutes of learning each day. Make it fun. Include fun Fridays with quizzes or videos, and schedule 0 days for total relaxation. Breaks prevent burnout and keep you motivated. Refine your plan. Spend more time on science, less on history, or add rewards like movie nights after a week of studying. ChatGPT instantly adjusts your schedule to fit your needs. Print your plan and hang it somewhere visible. Check off each day's task for a sense of accomplishment. This isn't just a schedule, it's your commitment to yourself. You're turning a vague goal into clear daily actions. With this plan, you're already on your way to a successful school year. The first step is done. Now let's see how to make learning easier. Now it's time to learn. And AI tools like Notion AI and Perplexity AI are here to help. Use Notion AI as your digital notebook. Take messy notes, then let it organize and summarize them into key points or study guides. Need practice? Ask Notion AI to create quizzes from your notes. Stuck on a tough topic? Perplexity AI explains anything in simple terms, with examples and reliable sources. Research, ask questions, and build your understanding step by step. Use these tools together. Study, clarify with Perplexity, organize with Notion, and quiz yourself. You're not just reading, you're actively learning and building knowledge that sticks. This is how you prepare for any question school throws your way. To master a subject, you need to practice, and AI makes it fun. Quizlet's Magic Notes turns your Notion notes into instant flashcards and practice tests, using spaced repetition to help you remember. Khanmigo, our AI tutor, guides you through problems step by step, offering hints and explanations without just giving answers. Use Quizlet for quick drills and Khanmigo for deeper understanding. These tools turn studying into a game, making you an active participant in your learning. Practice, review, and build confidence with every question you answer. You're not just studying, you're training your brain for success. Consistency is key. Small daily efforts beat cramming every time. Distractions are everywhere, but AI apps like Forest and FocusGPT help you stay on track. With Forest, plant a virtual tree that grows as you study, leave the app, and your tree withers. Over 45 days, you'll grow a forest that shows your dedication. FocusGPT uses the Pomodoro technique, guiding you through focused intervals and blocking distractions. Make these tools part of your routine when it's study time. Open Forest or FocusGPT first. This ritual signals your brain to focus, making every minute count. Build this habit now, and it'll serve you all year long. Learn more in less time and enjoy your summer guilt-free. As we wrap up, think about your goal for this summer. Write it down. This 45-day plan, powered by AI, is your path to real progress. Remember, small, consistent steps add up to big results. By day 45, you'll have new knowledge and powerful learning habits. AI isn't a shortcut. It's a tool to make your work more effective. This summer is your chance to balance fun and growth. Use ChatGPT for planning, Notion and Perplexity for understanding, Quizlet and Khanmigo for practice, and Forest for focus. You're in control of your education. Start today, create your plan, download a Focus app, and take that first step. When school starts, you'll walk in with confidence, ready for anything. You used your summer wisely, and your future is bright.